Now, let's look at pattern 02. Some parts are already stitched, while others aren't yet. Let me demonstrate these unstitched patterns. Let's start with the straight stitch. It's a very simple stitch, often used for outer borders, or filling in decorative embroidery. Let me demonstrate. Using 4 strands of color number 6. Bring needle up at left end. Take it down at line end ahead. Let me show once more. Come up at one end of the line. Then take it down at the other end. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. Keep stitches smooth, with even spacing, in a straight line, for smooth flowing lines. Final stitch down. Then turn over to tie off. Pass needle under stitched line. Wrap thread around needle. After wrapping, hold wrapped area with finger. Push needle up, pull thread up. Back knot is now secured. Cut off excess thread. We've completed basic straight stitch. Now let's look at this pattern below. It also uses straight stitch, adding more lines to the basic stitch. Changing pattern shape. Let me demonstrate. Using 4 strands of color number 5. Bring needle up here. Take it down at line end. Then come up at lower line. Take down at other end. Stitch the other side same way. Keep stitch length consistent for beautiful lines. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. Let's look at the result. Now for this row of patterns. Slightly more complex than previous 2, but not too difficult. Also made with straight stitches. Let me demonstrate. Using 4 strands of color number 4. Bring needle up here. First stitch across. Then stitch lines beside it. Again, come up at one end, down at the other. After completing one side, stitch the other side. Following this method, complete remaining pattern. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result.